Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve a geometrical problem. In this problem, we have given a circle having center at point O and 3 points on circumference are given, which are point A, point B and point C. We join point AB with a line segment, and we also join point AC with another line segment. The angle between these two line segments means the angle BAC is of 68 degree. If we draw a tangential line from point B to point P and another tangential line from point C to point Q, these two tangential line meets at a point R, and the between angle at point R made by PRQ, this angle is, let's say, X. Then by these given information we have to find the value of this angle X. Our goal is to find the value of X with these all given information. But before going towards the solution, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Now move towards the solution. Since from the figure angle QRP, this is equal to angle BRC, because these are opposite angle, and we can label this angle BRC as angle X also. Now we draw a line segment from the central point O to point B, and also another line segment from this center O to point C. Now by central angle theorem, which is given as the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, means the angle BOC is twice of the angle BAC. So we can write BOC as twice of 68, which is 136 degree. Now there is another theorem called circle theorem, which states that the angle between tangential and radial lines is always equal to 90 degree. Means the angle OBR is of 90 degree and angle OCR is also of 90 degree. Now our figure is complete, and we calculate this angle X. From this four-sided figure BOCR, we can write as this one: angle B plus angle O plus angle C and plus angle at R. These all are equal to 360 degree, because we know that the sum of interior angles of any four-sided figure is equal to 360 degree. So these three angles are known. We can write their values. Sum the values of known angles, which is 316 degree, and subtracting this 316 on the right side, we will get X is equal to 44 degree, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching.